What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mr. TCee. So as we are seeing, this is my personal account. Okay, this is my personal account, and right now I'm trying to flip this account to maybe 600 or 700 using this boom 300 setup. And you can see each have reached the major resistance, the major support on a daily and 4-hour time frame, and I'm anticipating it to bounce on the red zone, and then after bouncing all the way up. So right now let me enter. Right now let me buy. So let me post this signal in my VIP, and the stop loss is somewhere.
A few moments later.
Okay, guys, as you are seeing right now, I'm in 183 profit. Okay, so this is the simple way that I trade a boom 300. As you are seeing, there is no any indicator. It's pure price action, support and resistance, reversal pattern, and you can see this is support. The reason why I bought is because there is a major support on 4-hour time frame. The market bounced on the major support, and then before I executed buy, I also I came to a smaller time frame to look for reversal pattern, and this is a double bottom. Let me switch to 1 minute. This is a double bottom. This is a double bottom. This is the first leg. This is the second leg, and then I entered right here. You can see after I entered, there was a small drawdown, like from here to here, and then after this, it started spiking all the way up. It started spiking all the way up, and right now it's keep on spiking 100. But I can see that boom 300 is now playing games. Yeah, it's now tripping. So I guess hello. 8 million. Alright, bo nembra kanjani. Alright, bo regara ngomira marunning trades angu ari kurwana ndobva ndaita chidoko. Boom. This is the advantages of using a strategy which don't have many confirmation. Okay, so I used the major support on 4-hour time frame, and then after this I then switched to 5 minutes to look for a reversal pattern. This is a double bottom. You see the first leg, which is right here, the second, like let me use this. This is the first leg. Okay, this is the first leg, and this is the second leg. Let me switch to 5 minutes to 1 minute. This is the first leg, this is the second leg, and this is what happened after this confirmation. You see my entry is right here. Okay, this is the process which I took when I'm trading the double bottom. I don't rely on main confirmation. You see, so the reason why I don't rely on many main confirmation is because when I started trading, I was using too many confluence, and I realized that I wasted most of my time looking for confirmation, of which it confuses, and then I end up taking late entries. And the more you take late entries, the bigger the risky, and then the smaller the reward. So if that trade goes against you, you find yourself losing more money. Okay, and then for you to be profitable, the risky to reward ratio must be at least 1:3. So if you find yourself taking a trade which have 1:2 or 1:1 risk to reward ratio, it's gonna be real hard for you to be profitable. Okay, so you need a strategy which keeps you in profits even if you make consecutive losses. Okay, you need a strategy which leaves you in positive even if you make consecutive losses. Okay,
A few moments later.